Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jackie and I'm here to teach you American English. I hope you had a great Chinese New Year. With me being sick over the holidays and the recent virus situation, I want to use this opportunity to teach you some American English related to getting sick. I will repeat the words or phrases that are highlighted in yellow at the end of the video also. Okay, let's start. It's that time of the year, cold and flu season. Cold symptoms are usually less severe. We always get the flu shot with the hope of preventing influenza. Just a side note, we usually say catch a cold, but we catch the flu. Unfortunately, this year's vaccination is not very effective against this particular strain. It is very common in Asia to wear masks when you are sick. However, that's not a common practice in the US. With the current coronavirus, we still have a lot we don't know, but we do know the incubation period is relatively long. When people are exposed, they are placed into quarantine to prevent the virus from spreading human to human. There is a lot of stuff going around this winter, and our family was sick for a while. The good thing is that we are finally over it. When you're sick, Americans usually say, "I don't feel well," or "I'm under the weather." And sometimes you are so tired, you might say, "I feel like I got hit by a bus." You may be congested, have a lot of thick mucus, a runny nose and a headache, sore throat and sore muscles. You usually have a fever too, and you may have chills. You can take your temperature with a thermometer. You should drink lots of fluid to stay hydrated. Blow your nose often to clear it, and use a humidifier at night. Usually, over-the-counter medicine will help to relieve some of the symptoms. However, that may not always be enough. Recently, I got a cold that turned into a sinus infection. I had to go to the doctor to get a prescription for antibiotics, and that cleared it right up. I've never felt so good. My daughter recently got sick and contracted a very contagious stomach bug at school. One of her classmates was sick at school and infected everyone. My daughter kept throwing up and couldn't keep anything down. We were very worried about her being dehydrated and almost had to bring her in to the ER. She then gave it to us and we had diarrhea. My son also got it, but his was pretty mild. I had to call in sick to work and let my boss know. I tried to sleep in and also go to bed early and not stay up too late. Unfortunately, I had a tickle in my throat and I coughed a lot at night. I tossed and turned and couldn't get a good night's sleep. And when you're sick as a parent, it takes much longer to recover because you still have to look after your kids and you have no time to rest. My family and friends said things like, "Hope you all recover soon," or "Sending healing thoughts and prayers your way. Hope you feel better soon." The most important thing we can do to stay healthy is to wash our hands frequently so we don't spread germs. All right, now I'm going to go over the words and phrases that are highlighted in yellow. Being sick. Being sick. Getting sick. Getting sick. Cold and flu season. Cold and flu season. The flu. The flu. A cold. A cold. Get the flu shot. Get the flu shot. Influenza. Influenza. Vaccination. Vaccination. Be effective against. Be effective against. Wear masks. Wear masks. Common practice. Common practice. Incubation period. Incubation period. Be exposed. Be exposed. Placed into quarantine. Placed into quarantine. Spread human to human. Spread human to human. Be over it. Be over it. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I am under the weather. I am under the weather. I feel like I got hit by a bus. I feel like I got hit by a bus. Congested. Congested. Thick mucus. Thick mucus. A runny nose. A runny nose. Headache. Headache. Sore throat. Sore throat. Sore muscles. sore muscles, fever, fever, chills, chills. Take your temperature. Take your temperature. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. Over-the-counter medicine. Over-the-counter medicine. Relieve the symptoms. Relieve the symptoms. Sinus infection. Sinus infection. Get a prescription. Get a prescription. Antibiotics. Antibiotics. Cleared it up. Cleared it up. Contracted. Contracted. Contagious. Contagious. Stomach bug. Stomach bug. Infected. Infected. Throw up. Throw up. We use throw up more commonly than vomit. Couldn't keep anything down. Couldn't keep anything down. Being dehydrated. Being dehydrated. Bring her in. Bring her in. Diarrhea. Diarrhea. Call in sick. Call in sick. Sleep in. Sleep in. Stay up late. Stay up late. I had a tickle in my throat. I had a tickle in my throat. Cough. Cough. I tossed and turned. I tossed and turned. A good night's sleep. A good night's sleep. Look after. Look after. Hope you all recover soon. Hope you all recover soon. Sending healing thoughts and prayers your way. Sending healing thoughts and prayers your way. Hope you feel better soon. Hope you feel better soon. Stay healthy. Stay healthy. That's it. I hope this was helpful. So wash your hands, exercise, and eat healthy. And remember, in order to improve your English, you have to learn it, use it, and live it. Stay healthy and see you next time.